For months, we were waiting, refreshing leaks, hoping Apple would finally upgrade the Apple TV. And nothing happened. It felt like Apple completely forgot about the living room. But here's the twist, Apple didn't forget. They were waiting. New leaks just surfaced explaining why we never got a new Apple TV last year, and honestly, it makes perfect sense. The delay wasn't about supply chains or low demand. It was about something much bigger, something that could completely change how you use your TV. Because in 2026, Apple isn't just updating the Apple TV. They're reinventing it. Let's break down what's coming, and why this could be the biggest Apple TV upgrade ever. The current Apple TV 4K still runs on the A15 Bionic, a chip from the iPhone 13 era, 2021 hardware. It's powerful, sure, but in tech years, that's ancient. Heading into 2026, Apple knows that's no longer enough. That's why leaks are pointing to a massive jump straight to the A17 Pro chip, the same architecture used in the iPhone 15 Pro and iPad mini. And that changes everything. You might be wondering, why does a streaming box need that much power? The answer is Apple Intelligence. Apple likely skipped 2025 because the software simply wasn't ready. Apple Intelligence requires serious on-device processing, especially a strong neural engine, to handle AI tasks privately and instantly. With the A17 Pro, the Apple TV becomes future-proof. Imagine Siri that actually understands context, smarter content recommendations, real-time media processing, and deep integration with your Apple ecosystem, all happening locally in your living room, not constantly in the cloud. This turns the Apple TV from a dumb streaming box into an AI-powered computer for your TV. But the A17 Pro isn't just about AI. It unlocks something gamers have wanted for years: real AAA gaming on Apple TV. We already saw games like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage running natively on the iPhone 15 Pro. Now imagine that same power inside an Apple TV with active cooling and a constant power source. We're talking hardware-accelerated ray tracing, Metal FX upscaling, and smooth frame rates on console-level games. Pair that with PlayStation or Xbox controllers, which Apple TV already supports, and suddenly this becomes a legitimate mini-console for casual and cloud gamers. But Apple didn't stop there. Leaks also point to the inclusion of Apple's N1 networking chip, which would bring Wi-Fi 7, better Bluetooth, and full-thread support. That turns the Apple TV into the ultimate smart home hub, faster, more reliable, and finally free from smart home lag. Your lights, cameras, home pods, and accessories would all run through one powerful brain, the Apple TV. We're also expecting long-overdue quality-of-life upgrades like HDMI pass-through, improved Dolby support, and better audio handling, making movie nights more cinematic than ever. So when does this launch? All signs point to spring 2026, lining up with Apple's home product cycle, possibly alongside a new HomePod with a screen. Apple Intelligence would be the unifying feature across the entire home lineup. And surprisingly, the price may stay almost the same. Leaks suggest $130 to $150, just like today's Apple TV. Apple can do this because by 2026, the A17 Pro will be older silicon, powerful, but cheaper to produce. It's the same smart strategy Apple already uses. And honestly, this is the upgrade we've been waiting for. If Apple delivers a 17 Pro performance, next-gen connectivity, AI features, and real gaming, all under $150, this instantly becomes the most powerful streaming device ever made. So what do you think? Is the A17 Pro enough to make you upgrade? Are you excited about console-level gaming on Apple TV? Or do you just want YouTube to load faster? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit subscribe for more leaks, and I'll see you in the next one.